Considering the submissions made by counsel representing the petitioners, the Supreme Court bench granted permission to examine the petition and issued an interim injunction preventing the implementation of the Gazette notification issued by the previous government, which aimed to increase the annual liquor license fees. The court also noted that going forward, the annual fees for liquor license should be charged according to the Gazette notification issued in 2017. The petition states that the 2024 Gazette notification had increased the annual fee for liquor license to 20 million rupees. The petitioners have sought a ruling from the Supreme Court, stating that the fee increase has caused them severe injustice and violated their fundamental rights. The respondents named in the petition include the Secretary of the Ministry of Finance, among other officials.
Meanwhile, Minister Dr. Nalinda Jayatissa expressed his views in Parliament today about the excise licence holders who haven't paid taxes.
There
is a tax that people have already paid when they purchase alcohol. There are also companies that haven't paid those taxes to the government. One such company is the W.M. Mendes company. The owner of it is Aloysius. Along with taxes and surcharges, nearly 5.8 billion rupees are due from the company to the government. The previous governments in power didn't do anything to collect these taxes from them. These are the taxes due to the government in the years 2022, 23 and 24. Currently, the license are suspended. If we had the authority under the Act to confiscate their property and set it off against these amounts, we would have done it. That means that the tax that should be paid for alcohol has not been paid to the government. If you remember, it was reported in newspapers about the people who took money from Aloysius, and the CID reports were also tabled recently. There are several people sitting here in front of me who have taken money from Aloysius. The next is Vayamba Distilleries Private Limited and McCullum Breweries Private Limited. Both of these companies have taxes to pay. But when the government was going to collect those taxes, they had filed a case against the excise department over these areas and surcharges. Currently, the case is ongoing. Next is Globe Blenders and Bottlers Lanka Private Limited, Kaluthara Cooperative Society and Vayamba Cold Storage Private Limited. They have outstanding taxes that need to be paid. These three companies have outstanding taxes that need to be paid for the years 2004 and 2005. These companies aren't operating now, but the government is working to take legal action against these three companies. What did they do in the past? On one hand, bar license were distributed. On the other hand, the taxes due from alcohol sold in those taverns have not been collected. They have distributed these among their friends and have taken it during elections. A member of your party from Kaluthara revealed how money was taken from Aloysius and about how they brought money to Sirikotha during the election. He is now a member of the parliament from the Samagi Jana Balavegiya. That is the connection that they have with him.